In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Leonardo AI Desktop to make images. To get started, open Leonardo AI in your desktop browser and head to the main app page. Once you're on the platform, look for the image generation area and click into it so you can begin creating. This takes you to the workspace where all of your main image settings will be available. From there, the first thing you'll want to do is type in your prompt. This is the description of the image you want Leonardo AI to create for you, so be as clear and specific as possible. The better your prompt is, the more accurate and useful your results will be. If you want a certain style, mood, subject, or setting, include that directly in the prompt, so the AI has good guidance. Next, choose a model. The model affects how your image is interpreted and rendered, so this step is important. Different models can produce different looks, levels of realism, or artistic styles. So if you're experimenting, this is one of the best settings to adjust. After that, choose your image dimensions. This controls the aspect ratio and layout of the final image. For example, you might want a square image for social media, a portrait layout for posters, or a landscape format for thumbnails and presentations. Picking the right dimensions early helps your result fit its intended use. Then, select the number of generations you want. This determines how many image variations Leonardo AI will create at once. Choosing more generations can give you more options to compare, while fewer generations can be faster if you already have a clear direction in mind. Once everything looks good, click Generate. Leonardo AI will process your prompt using the settings you selected and create your images. After the generation finishes, review the results and see which version works best for your project. That's how to use Leonardo AI Desktop to make images quickly and effectively.